Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum name services. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you that Ethereum name services has broken out a very big descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice rally. By the way, from this low to here, you can see that Ethereum name services pumped almost 357%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $30. And by the way, when it was moving inside this triangle, in those days, I shared several videos with you, and I've been telling you that once Ethereum name services will be able to break out this triangle, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that that rally has just begun. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Ethereum name services that I shared a few days ago, almost 4 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ethereum name services that I shared 4 days ago, almost on 7th of June 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that Ethereum name services formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone. And after hitting the sell target zone here, the price line again moved down. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And by the way, this move I shared on 12th of Feb 2024 when it was completing the final leg of this bad move on a 4-hour time frame chart, I think. Yes, on a 2-hour time frame chart, not on a 4-hour. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped down and entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very nice reversal. And this was almost 20% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that the price has been moving inside this big descending triangle. And when the movement was quite squeezed inside this triangle in those days, I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this descending triangle. And after breaking out this long-term downtrend and resistance of this triangle, we can expect a very massive pump. And you can see that after that, we had a very nice rally, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance of $30. And after the rejection, the price and broke down this support of $18 as well. By the way, this $18 has been previously working as a resistance here, and now again for several weeks it has been working as support. But after the breakdown, the price then tested this support of $10.50. It covered back very soon. And after this rejection, the price then has again broken out this resistance of $18. Therefore, this resistance, this support will be now very significant. We need to keep an eye on this support. And over here, we have a lot of other supports as well. Like we have the support of EM at 21, slightly above this support of $18. And we also have this support of Ichimoku bullish cloud that was previously working as a very strong resistance when it was bearish cloud, and now it is flipped into a bullish cloud, and it is moving slightly below the support of $18. This can be also very strong support for the price line of Ethereum name services. By the way, despite this very powerful rally, still a very big move due, and that is target for the breakout from this descending triangle. And that target can be, by the way, here. That will be slightly above this resistance of $38.50, approximately up to $41. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.